Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Ashton Bilundang, and if there's one moment in my life that I wish I could change, it would be the time where I decided to quit baseball back in grade 7. At that time, I didn't know how important that decision would be to me. The reason why I quit playing baseball was because I felt tired and unsure to myself if I was even good enough. Instead of keep pushing through, I walk away from something I actually love. Now, I sometimes wonder how far I could have gone if I had stayed. Maybe I would have improved more and see my full potential, or even discovered a passion I didn't fully understand yet. Quitting taught me a lesson that sometimes we give up before we see our real potential. And if I were given a chance to go back in time, I would tell my younger self to be patient, to keep practicing, keep believing in myself, and pursue what I actually love.